Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you remember when I told you that I'm not going to drill anything to Gamora? Well, I did lie because I had to drill on my crossbars so I could install my new Vevor, whatever, awning. Because I tried to build my own and I realized, you know what? I think it's best to just buy one. Of course, for a reasonable price. I found one for like $100. Then spend an eternity trying to set up an awning instead of enjoying a place to hunker down or camp or whatever. So that's what I'm doing today. I already drilled one, and I'm just tightening it up right now, as you see right here. So the idea is to, attach this L bracket to the crossbar, and this is where the awning is gonna attach. I'm gonna put the link in the description for that Vevor awning that I got for like $100. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just learning as I go, just like everything else. Alright, so that part is done. I just need to do it 3 more times. Alright, so the other piece is done. We just need to put this screw in and the nut. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. Learning this as I go, just like anything else that I've done in my life. And that's actually what's fun about it, just learning it on the go, right? Right. To do the same thing, tighten it up using my ratchet. It, not too tight. Not too tight because you don't want to damage the crossbar. Alright, this one is good to go. I just have to do it again. Alright, so pretty much the same dealio here, right? We just have to put it where we want it to be. Mark it, and then pretty much start drilling. I'm using a drill bit that can do metal. Duh. Done. Done. That was through. Okay, cool. Okay, we're good. Do the same thing. Last piece. Alright, so here is the awning. Right. So it's a Vevor. So the idea is you remove this covering right here, you put the bolt, and then you attach it to the L brackets. Simple enough, right? Alright, I was able to remove this piece, so you gotta remove this. I don't know why it was too hard to remove that piece, but look how janky it looks now, because I was forcing it. So now the idea is you put the bolts, you slide it there, right? And then you attach this piece to the L bracket. So get the other bolts, and you pretty much do the same thing. Right together, get all the way there, and then get all the way. Then we put this thing back, obviously. There. Bolts are over there. That gets attached to there. The idea is to line this up where you want to attach it to the L brackets. Alright, that part is done. Now what I do, boom. Hey, look, Mom. So let me put this in there. Tighten it up. And we do the other side. Same thing. Side. So it's basically ready to install. So you do, it's good. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This, I mean, install wise, it is, it's easy enough. It's just, you know, the stressful part was drilling through the crossbars. That's how it looks like. That looks good.